Hello, guys. I trust you all are doing great. Okay, is another section for us to learn how to cook organic food with my favorite chef. Let's see what she has for us today. All right, don't forget to share this video, share your thoughts, and follow my page. It's all love from my side.
Hey guys, make Nigeria oven bake jollof rice with me, original one. Very simple, easy. So I got here chicken, slice and wash chicken, onions, salt, no seasoning, curry powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, bay leaf, thyme, water. So I'm going to close this and I put it in the cooking gas to cook for 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, I got here paprika or bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper, tomatoes paste, and tomatoes. I'm just going to be washing this and blending them. So I'll just like wash my rice. I'm going to be using basmati rice, hot water. I'm going to let this sit for a while, then I will drill out the water and wash it with another water. It's time to wash all this starch away. So I'm just going to be pouring my bell pepper and onions mix here, and the tomatoes paste, cooking oil, crayfish. So I'm going to be adding the seasoning that I use for the meat. I'm going to be adding everything in it. So the chicken is ready. I'm going to be adding the stock inside. So I'm going to bake the chicken in the air fryer. So I'm going to be using this to whisk it so that the tomatoes paste will mix together. So I'm just adding the rice. I promise you, like, this jollof rice is very easy and it tastes smoky and everything. You don't need to like fry the bombo everywhere. Try this recipe, easy jollof. I'm going to pour it in a pan. I'm just going to close it and let it bake for 1 hour or more. To the oven. So I'm just turning it around in the oven. My kitchen is smelling like jollof already, like it's ready. Oh my god, can you see the smoke popping out? Like, promise this is the most easiest and delicious jollof rice ever baked. Like, it smells so good, like I'm in a party right now. I've got here fried banana plantain, moi moi, lettuce moi moi, salad, creamy salad. I'm going to be dishing everything together. Here's the chicken. There we go. Take a look. Oh, gorgeous. So I'm adding the ogbono inside a blender because I'm going to be blending it. Clean water. There we go. So it has been cooking for 10 minutes. So I just need to remove the fish before I add the ogbono so that the fish will not like scatter inside. So I'm going to add tomatoes, grounded pepper, dry pepper, crayfish, the ogbono. So I'm going to let this steam for like 10 minutes before I add the spinach and the fish. So I'm going to be adding the spinach. So I will let this steam again for another 10 minutes and then it's ready. Kitchen. Hey guys, make catfish okra soup with me. So first thing, I'm going to be using tomatoes. I mean, I don't want to use red oil or oil. So salt, no seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder, onions. So I have here carrot and green paprika and habanero pepper. I don't want to add too much pepper because of my kids, so that they will be able to eat it. Cooked egg, so that the flavor would go inside the egg. Water and stir. Time to add in my catfish. I already sliced and washed the catfish. I'm just going to add it like that. So I've on the gas, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. So the soup is ready. Look now. Oh my god.
Hey, my people, how many of you would like to try her style? Well, it looks delicious to me, but this will not be Niger way of cooking jollof rice or even making other soup.